Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 13th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 2 today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the pound definitely did have a nice push up today. It is starting to recover a little bit. Especially with this higher low right here, it really looks like we're in the middle of an uptrend. Maybe we're currently in a wave 4. Maybe this is just a subdivision of a much larger trend. If this really is the end of a wave C back here, then it will go up and eventually take out these highs right here. So I do have my Fibonacci retracement on this last push up. I am definitely watching these fib levels. I'm watching it for 3 waves down. 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, Fibonacci bounce, and golfing move to the upside for more long opportunities for the continuation of this uptrend. We have a lot of news coming out this week for the dollar. We got a Powell speech tomorrow, and we got CPI this week for the dollar, so it's going to be very interesting to see what this all plays out as. I think that this is likely to be the end of a correction back here, so I'm still very bullish until proven otherwise. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all the swing trade setups that I say with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.